Hello guys, my name is Vishwas and I hope you are all fine, all are doing good. So let's solve today's problem for lead code. The number of the lead code problem is 1061. The problem name is lexicographically smallest equivalent string. So what is the other name for this dictionary? So we have to follow the dictionary like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So A will come first, then B will come, then C will come, then D will come. The meaning of this, we have to follow the dictionary order. Okay. So the question says you are given a true string of same length s1 and s2. Okay, and another string will be there, base string. Okay, there will be base string and s1 and s2 will be given where says s1 and s1 of ayat and s2 of ayat are equivalent character. Okay, so they are flexibility, symmetry and transferability. That means if a is equal to a and a is equal to b and b equal to a, so it also implies if a is equal to b and b is also equal to c, equal to a, it also implies the transcript of a equal to b and also b is equal to, so that also implies a is also equal to c. Okay, so we are given for so we will understand this problem by solving an example. So good problem, just like it. Let's see. So they are given a two string, Parker and Morris. So we have to connect P and M, A and O, R and R, K and K and R, and E and I, and R and S. So we have connected this all three, all the character of the string 1 and string 2. So we have created this symmetry. So we have to make this one also. This one is true. Now this one also is we connected. Now we have to make it transcriptivity. So what is the meaning of transcriptivity? Just say let's see if P is equal to M. Okay, so P and M are together now. So whenever we call P or M, it will be calling the dictionary order of any one of this, and of A and 0. Another is A is equal to 0 and R is equal to R, and another is K is equal to R. So which is a third rule. If A is equal to B and B is equal to C, which also implies A is equal to C. So we have to say here R is equal to K. I hope you got it. Now this one is equal to this one. Now E is equal to I. E is equal to I. Now R is equal to S. So here R is equal to R is equal to K, and K is also equal to now. Yes. I hope you got it, because it is we follow the third rule here. If these two are equal and these two are equal, it also implies K and S also equal. So here we will get P M, we will get A O, we will get R K S and E and I. We will get this connection for this from the both of the string. Now we will solve the problem. So we will be given a base string, which is PARSER. Okay. Now we have to follow the dictionary order. What is dictionary order? First will come A, B, C, D, E, F, G till Z. So whichever comes first in this array, so we have to take first. So in place of P, which comes first? P is connected to M. So P will come first or M will come first? Let's see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. M comes first. After that P comes. So we have to follow the dictionary order. So what will be the first letter? It will be M. Then it comes A. So A is the first in the dictionary, so A will come first. After that, for R is connected to K, is also connected to S. Let's see which will come first. K will come first, R will come first, or S will come first. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. K will come first. So we will name R as K. And S also for S. S is connected to R and R is connected to K. So here we saw K came first. So we have to say K. After that, E will come. So E will come first or I will come first, because E is connected to I here. Here E is connected to I. So which one will come first? E is coming first or I is coming first? Let's see. A, B, C, D. E is coming first. I will come afterwards. We will miss I. So for R we will put K. Do we getting the string has M, A, K, K, E, K? Let's see. We do get M, A, K, K, A, K. So we have understood the problem. I hope you also understood the problem here. Now we have to solve it. So we will solve this by making a unity. What is unity? I will tell you here. We have to unite both. We have to see which one is smaller, and we have to take that number into consideration. First, we will make a letter of what will be the size of this array? How many letters are there in the alphabets? 26. Great. 26. We did it. We created a letter. Now what we have to do? We have to assign the letter into its own variable. So first how much? First we'll start from 0 till 25. So we will use for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than 26. 26 left alphabets are there. So I plus plus. Now we have to add every letter into the we have to fill every array in the letter. So let's see how we do this. I, which is equal to I. So we have filled from 0 till 25. Each letter has been filled here. After filling this, what we have to do? We have to unite S1 and S2. Let's unite it. Int I equal to 0, I less than S1 dot length. It doesn't matter we take S1 or S2 because both lengths are same. So both lengths are same. So I plus plus. Okay, now we have to unite it. So we will use a function called unite. Unite a function where S1 we will give that number. We will give the input has integers. So how can we make this integer? We have to call out first character of I, then we have to do simple minus a. This will give us an integer variable. Now we have to do for S2 also. We'll just copy this guy, paste this guy, and you have to change this just by 2. I'm little lazy for this. So now we will make a function for unity. We have to return anything for this? No, we have to just change the letter value. So just make a unity function of void. So we will make public void unity of integer I, integer x will take integer y. Oh, it make a Roman, huh? Yes, we will use. Now we have to get the x value and y value. Why we are getting x value and y value? If we change the value of this one, just assume if A is connected to O, so we will change O as A now. So we have to get the value. So int A, sorry, we don't have to make it A equal to get the value of x. We'll make a function for that also now. V equal to get the value of y. After getting the value, what we have to check? If x is smaller than y, then the letter letter of x, letter of y will be equal to x. Whichever is smaller, we have to place it first. I hope you understood. Else letter of x will be equal to y. I hope you understood this one problem. And now we have modified the letter value. Now we have to get another function for int public. What will we return? We will have to return an integer. So we had to return an integer, and the name of the function will be int x. If x is equal to letter x, then no need to modify anything. We will just return x. Else we will change the value of letter of x by getting the letter of x. So what I am saying here, and then we will return x, letter x. So what I am saying here, I will just see if in this case, if a is here and if we wanted a only, so it will return a. But in this case, it is already it is converted to a, so we have to check for a here. That is the reason we are doing here, and then we are returning a value. Then we are returning the lowest possible value. So we have changed 0 to a, so we have to return a here. How we will change? We will change it in unite. We will change in unite. After that, what we have to do here? So what we have to do? So we can use a string builder or string. So we will use first string. So, why I am using string here, I will tell you here. So if I use string and string answer equal to this one, this will be time consuming, because every time we have to iterate to each and everything. So what we do here, better case, we will make a builder, string builder. We make a function called string builder, new string builder. Why we are making string builder? Because it will reduce our time complexity, because if we make a string, it will again go iterate and we will go on adding every time. So that's why, to reduce that, we will make use of string builder. Now we have to change the value of base string. We have to change the value of base string from int I equal to 0, I less than n, not n, sorry, it's a habit of mine, base string of length I plus plus. After that, what we have to do? We have to change the value, or we have to append the append the value into the answer. Answer dot append. So what is the meaning of append? We are just adding the element into the answer. The append meaning in string builder we use append. In place of string we just plus and equal to, we can just do that. But in place of string builder we have to append it. So what do we have to return? We have to return a character. What do we have to return? We have to return a character. And what value we have to return? We have to make another. We have to get it from the letter. So we have to get it from the letter array. So we have to get in letter for array. So we will use base. We have to convert to into string integers. Character of I minus we have to convert it to integers. So we got integer here, we will get an integer here. After getting integer, what we have to do? We have to again add it to, we have to again add plus a because to get into the character. After doing this, after getting the each value from a letter, we will just now return the lowest we get everything from lowest letter. We have replaced every letter whichever is the lowest, and then we have to return just answer to the string. We have to return string, right? So we will place a function called string to string, comma, we'll use this function, just run it, some error will come, let's check for error. Yeah, it's getting accepted, case 1, case 2, and submit. So it is getting 100% beat and 96. Let's see if we use a string here. In place of string builder, we can use string here, and we will just say this guy. No, sorry. We will just say here, and we have to just add here. I'm telling you what is the difference between string and string builder, and we have to just return string. Let's see, it will run. First check for it will run. It's taking time, it is taking 8 seconds. Let's return it, submit it. So 27, see the difference, that was 100 and this one is 27. So we'll change it again to a string builder, then we will do it. I hope you understand why did I take string builder here. I hope you understand why did we take string builder here, because to reduce the runtime complexity. Return string builder, and we have to use here append, and we have to convert this to the string. Now how much time it will take? 0 second in runtime. Okay, so we'll just do quick dry run. If some people don't understand like what I'm doing in letter and everything, from them I will use just dry run. If you understood this problem, you can stop watching and you can continue with your own coding. All the best. So whoever didn't understand, I will do a dry run for that. For that I'm using IntelliJ. So I have already loaded the question here. So we will just start it. We will just run it first. What we are getting. Stop and run. See here. So starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have printed the letter also. 5, 6, 7. 4 came. Why 4? Why 4 came here? What is this for? I have modified the array. First what I did, I just added the letter. I did 1 till 0 to 25. Whenever I see the lower is connected, I change the higher into the lower. What was 4 here? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. E was 4. And what was I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry. So it is 8. Right? It is 8. So now 8 is modified to the 4. And whenever we want the value of E, it will directly print. Whenever we want the value of I, it will directly print out the value of E. So we will go 9 is right, 10 is right, 11 is right, 12 is right, 13 is right. Oh, after 13 it came 0. So what can this be? 0 is equal to A. So A is connected to 0. That's why the 14 is converted to 0. Then 12. What was 12 here? 12 was M and P. So here 12, again 12 came, then 16, then 10, 10. What is this? 10, 10. 10 is also here. What is this 10, 10, 10? This is K, R and S. So whenever we call S or R, we will directly print K, 10. And 19, 20 all follows the same thing. I hope you understood what we did here. We just modified the value of letter and then print out the value. So if you is all we have modified, and this is function we modified, and this is we have added. I hope you understood this problem, and if you like this solution, please do. If you didn't understand anything, please do comment. I will try to help you in best possible way. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. It will be great help. And if you need any improvement from my side, please do comment. I will try to improve myself. Thank you.